In this discussion, we will look at a foreign purchase transaction. This discussion is like a problem in the text. Data for our problem shows that on December 1, year 1, Sterling Imports, a U.S. company, purchased vintage pens from London for £24,000 to be paid on February 2nd, year 2. Sterling's fiscal year ends on December 31, and its reporting currency is the U.S. dollar. The exchange rates are shown as follows. December 1, 65 cents. December 31, 70 cents. And February 2nd, 68 cents. Our requirements are twofold. First, to determine which currency is the transaction denominated in, and then, two, to prepare journal entries for Sterling to record the purchase and the adjustment on December 31 and the settlement. For Part A, the first requirement, we note that foreign currency transactions are denominated in whatever currency will be used for settlement. In other words, on the date that money will be exchanged, the denominated currency is the currency that will be exchanged on that date. In this transaction, sterling is paying in British pounds, and thus the currency is denominated in British pounds. In foreign currency transactions, a journal entry must be recorded on the date of purchase, which in this case is December 1, year 1, and on the date of settlement, which in this case is February 2, year 2. Also, a journal entry needs to be recorded on December 31, year 1, because sterling is closing its fiscal year before the settlement date. Thus, the exchange rate on each of these dates is needed to ensure the proper valuation of the payable is recorded on sterling's books. The exchange rates in our problem are 65 cents on transaction date December 1, year 1, 70 cents on balance sheet date December 31, year 1, and 68 cents on settlement date February 2nd, year 2. In making the valuation on transaction date, we will use then the 65-cent rate in effect on December 1, year 1. Using the 65 cents as the exchange rate on December 1st, we say that the accounts payable is $15,600. Now this again is the U.S. dollar equivalent. The real payable is 24,000 pounds sterling. Therefore, we will debit inventory for $15,600, credit payable for $15,600, but make a note that this payable truly is denominated in pounds, not dollars. Our next task is to make another valuation at balance sheet date, December 31, year 1. In this case, we'll use the exchange rate in effect on that date of 70 cents. With an exchange rate of 70 cents, the accounts payable is the equivalent of 16,000 U.S. dollars on December 31, year 1. We compare that to the 15,600